Costa Rica. I'm so excited to be here. It's my first time in Costa Rica. I'm staying in La Fortuna. I flew into San Jose, and La Fortuna is about like a 3-hour, more like 2.5 hour drive from San Jose. And I booked a private like shuttle company to drive me to my accommodation. But I was really excited to see that there was 3 other solo girls that was also on the same ride as me. But yeah, we kicked it off pretty well. They were around my age, and the only thing that sucked about the drive here was if you're, oh, not my neck cracking. But if you're a motion sickness girly like me, these were probably like one of the worst roads I've ever encountered, because they were just super windy, and he was also going super fast. But like, I mean, I'm glad that he wanted to get to our destination quicker. So I was trying to really fight it and not throw up. It takes a lot for me to throw up, but I was really near close. So that's a win for me that I didn't. Anyways, other than that, it was really cool. The drive here reminded me a lot like Vietnam, like where my grandma used to live. So that's what we were talking, and then me and the other girls, we were just talking about like our other trips that we've done. And I think it's just so cool that we can meet, like, you meet people along the way. I'm actually hanging out with one of them probably later tonight. It just sucks because her accommodation is more central and mine is very far out. So knowing this, if I do come back here next time, like, the food is kind of far from where I'm staying. But yeah, she was gonna text me, and then I'll probably Uber or something down there to get some food because I'm starving. I low-key haven't ate at all today, but it's fine. I'm just so excited to be here, practice my Spanish, even though it's not really going that well, but at least I can say I tried. Here's the room tour. So I'm like in the middle of the nature, a little desk area, little hammock for when I want to go outside, and then a cute kitchen area. And then this has like enough space for 3, honestly 4 people, but there's a bed here, and then there's like a bed up there, which I think is cool. Too bad it's only me. Shower. This is kind of dope to see. If the skies are clear, then there's like a chance that I could see the volcano that is here, the Arenal volcano. But yeah, that's my room. That's it. Cheers, chica. Cheers. Oh yeah. I am not a vodka girl. That one hurt.
Los monos. The name is a spider monkey. This is the biggest monkey in Costa Rica. We call it a spider because long legs, long.
Y'all, I'm low-key scared of bridges. I don't know why I'm doing this. But it's pretty cool. I'm scary. It's really scary. Right?
Oh, that's so pretty. Do you know if we're going to take lunch first?
We're doing the volcano and then the lunch.
Currently on top of a volcano in Costa Rica. Very much out of breath, but you know, whatever to live life. Very beautiful. Okay, hi. I just got back from my tour. So like I said, we did the hanging bridges this morning, which was really cool. It was honestly a lot scarier than I thought, but I've always had like that fear of bridges because like it's not the height that scares me, it's the collapsing part that scares me. So when everybody was on there and it was just like swinging because everyone's just going back and forth, it was a little bit scary. I did see some cool animals. So right as we got there, we saw a monkey, and then I saw a few whatchamacallit, frogs, like poisonous frogs that they have here. And like the facts that they were giving was really interesting. So we did get rained on like a lot today. It basically rained all day. So that was fun. And after that, we did the volcano hike, which I felt like we kind of rushed. I don't know. Maybe I'm just unfit or something, but I just felt like we went up and came down like right away. Like I didn't even get to soak in the scenery or like finish my mental image, you know what I mean? Because when am I gonna be back on a volcano in freaking Costa Rica, you know what I mean? But other than that, lunch was pretty good. So that was, I don't know, I'm assuming some restaurant that they team up with, and yeah. But overall, not bad of experience. I didn't get to do the La Fortuna waterfall because it got canceled due to the rain, so it would have been too dangerous, or like swimming in it wouldn't have been, we wouldn't have been able to do that because it would have been dangerous. Yeah, but I think I'm just starting to realize like I'm very much not a tour group type person. Like for my hike yesterday, it felt very different because it felt like more of a local versus this one felt very touristy. And I noticed it right away. Like I didn't get to interact much, I guess. I kind of just followed along. So I did enjoy the hot springs. I'm glad I did that because my body's been really sore. But overall, really fun experience. I'm really glad I got to say that I hiked on a volcano and did some hanging bridges, which Costa Rica is known for if you guys ever come here, especially in this area, in this La Fortuna area. But now I don't know what to do. It's my last night here. I'm like, do I want to go out, like go talk to people, or do I want to go to the waterfall like on my own, because the waterfall is only a 5-minute walk away from my villa here. It's just down the hill and then to the right. But or there's the natural hot springs. So the hot springs that I went to today was not natural. I'm pretty sure it's not, but there's some free ones like normally on the side of the roads that you can like park or I don't know, get dropped off on, and people say like that's typically where the locals go. So, and I'm curious to see if it's like any warmer. I don't know, we'll see. I will update you guys in a little bit.